What going people? Big up on yourself, welcome to the channel. So, I want to share one video with you, but I need to know first and foremost, I was not drunk. The ladies thought I was drunk, but I was not drunk. Really and truly what that happened to me is that I was tired and exhausted from them making, they're nice, you know. You can't rest when anyways, check out the video. Lawrence never drunk.
The video man, Ackeen Lawrence, behind the scene, is drunk. He's drunk. But we're gonna help him out tonight because we're one. The big video man, drunk as fuck.
Big bad Ackeen, you see you talk you never get drunk.
Alright. Then kind of video is good so bear with that part there. It kind of blur out, but yeah, check out the video.
Look at you now.
Ackeen, come, get up. Get up.
Let me help you.
Get up now. Come, get up.
Every time you have to call me,
Hey people, this is Ashley B, one Ashley B behind the scenes of AV TV. He's really drunk. Look at him. Him always I catch you behind the scenes. Around me they catch him. With our girl 1010. Subscribe to her YouTube channel, guys. She's new to YouTube and she's grown already. Yes, and that is Kera TV. We are assisting Ackeen Lawrence tonight.
Where is it, Mado?
Say my come.
Why you coming, bro? You cannot tell a little sister say you come here, man.
How do you feel to be drunk?
Actually, you know say something, bro.
Listen.
When do you see to get bro, so no matter just go so.
How do you feel to be drunk?
Ackeen, me a come. I can't believe this.
Ackeen, come now.
Come drink the tea,
Get
come.
up.
You want when can stop it on? You want when can stop it on?
Police. Of course you want. What the fuck you getting the police?
And that is...
Come.
Let me see here.
Anybody can drink. Come. Just, you don't want to drink this out of your spoon. Tell him if you just drink on some, you know. Come, you know hot.
Drunken man.
You
go to the beach, go shake up
you want
yourself.
me can drink.
Oh God, poor thing. You go good, baby.
You make me feel like the 30
Come man, you don't drink nothing yet. Backside one.
So guys, this is the start of the marathon, okay? He's drunk as beep beep.
Make your chest
He is so beep beep drunk he can beep beep. So Ackeen, you see this man? This is how you know this is the drunk version of you. Show the drunk version.
This is you drunk.
One more.
Drink some tea and cool out, boy.
One more.
Suppy tea, baby.
Oh my God, you have so many girls
Big
around you.
baby.
You're so
Oh my God.
beep beep lucky.
And this is me in the camera.
One more, then done. One more.
Junkin dance. Everybody junkin dance. Yes, everybody get on the junkin dance. Hey, the DJ. Everybody junkin
Drink a cup of ginger tea and cool out.
Cool out.
Drink a cup of ginger tea and cool out. Give me this spoon.
Hey, everybody
Tea nice so far.
Hey. Girls just wanna have fun. Oh, girls wanna have fun.
Have you ever seen a drunk boy? I have never seen a boy this drunk. I've only seen Ella this drunk. I can't believe my brother he's drunk.
Ray and the nephew.
You see when Ray and the nephew come check you. You see when they come check you. Then no play now. Especially when time boom. Come check you. That no wrong. Tell him.
He take Jay, Ray and his nephew.
Why? My brother not take no drink.
And him take boom.
And him take apple
Jay,
vodka
Ray
and nitro.
and his nephew.
How the fuck you?
Apple vodka.
How the fuck?
Then take his apple. Then you go take his vodka. Then you take
Apple vodka was sweet.
and then take nitro.
Nitro?
Look at this.
Look what it costs. Come and show you something.
Somebody come get it.
Come and show you something. Come and show you
Somebody
something.
come down.
J, Ray, nephew, nitro,
Boom.
apple
King.
vodka.
Somebody come get him.
Okay.
He's skin off my bed. Somebody come get him.
He's
Skin off my bed.
Skin off my the pussy. Can't better say Ashley B. Ashley B. Out of focus right now. We're gonna blow your. No.
Crazy. What you know about? Clean as freak.
Clean and blue. Wow.
You can design it.
What was I say?
Okay, so guys, I'm from New Jersey, and I just landed. Okay, so I'm from New Jersey, and I just landed in Jamaica, and it's fun. I went to a beach, and it was dirty, and they didn't want us to leave, so they said that we were unruly. In Jamaica, them say you're unruly. I wasn't unruly. I was just being, you know. So yeah, we went to Bourbon Beach, and then my big sister here, she got so mad, she had to sit in the car. She didn't come out. I was like, get out the fuck, beep.
I was pissed as fuck. These people just piss me off for no reason. I'm pissed. I don't like foolish. I don't deal with.
That's
and
why we should go to our
on.
home when we get paid, have fun, and come back and work our ass off like we're slaves.
We don't want to have fun. We have to go home, take a break out,
and come
take
back.
a chill, and then we come back to work.
Period.
Understand?
So now my big brother here, he's drunk as fuck. And if we say this to him in the morning, he'll say, "No, I wasn't drunk."
You're telling how I am.
No.
So,
what you talking about? Well, now we have the concrete proof of me feeding him tea and giving him to sip because I did a very bad job.
So what you have to say, let me see. The Ronia said they drink porridge.
I'm drinking coffee.
Why if you drink coffee?
I don't want to sleep.
You want to go out again?
No.
I am with my blood clot.
Baby, you're on the bed. Okay, so Ashley B seems to be doing a very good job at shooting. Oh my god. Somebody come get her. She's fucking up my pussy. Anyways, I'm hungry right now. I need to go and look something to eat. Oh my god, she's going underneath you. She's going underneath you.
Don't do that. Don't like that. Don't do that. You're pissing me off right now.
Alright, one small thing. I do not use ladies to describe a female's character. I use it to describe their sex. Because a man cannot be a lady. I guess I don't know why I say all of this.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Ashley B, one Ashley B, and we are here in Paradise Nation, Jamaica City, in the Richard Brown Flame family household. And we have here Bad Girl Kera TV. We would like y'all to go over to her YouTube channel, please guys, and give her a subscription. Turn that post notification bell on, and make sure y'all leave a thumbs up and share.
Thank you. And remember to comment.
And remember to leave a comment. She reads every comment. She sees everything.
Yeah.
And she will definitely reply back to y'all.
Yeah, I'll reply.
You have anything you want to say to the camera? Bad girl.
Who can't wake up on time? Don't do it. Alright, hi guys. Thanks for your continued support. I thank you all for continuing to watch my videos. I know that I'm not that popular as yet, but I'm trying to build my page. Please help me get to 1K subscription. Thank you. Bye.
Hey guys, Kera, what am I bashing in it? You have any question you wanna ask?
If I have any questions?
Yes.
No, I don't have any questions.
Mobia.
Which part?
You know, Albion.
Falmont.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, if you have any questions, just text me, comment under my post, and I'll get back to you. Thank you.
Yeah, guys, and that was it with Bad Girl Kera TV. I know it's a girl, it's your host, one Ashley B, and we have a lot coming with.
Bye.
Bye. So, guys, yeah. Hey guys, back again with Kera, the editor. As you can see, it is after 12. And The time is really late, but they are editing, and that is Ackeen over there doing his thing. This is me, guys, in the camera because you have to see me. See me a shake. Hey guys, what's up? You know it's your girl One Ashley B. I would love for you to run over to my YouTube channel, One Ashley B. Yes, that is how you can find me. If it's that hard, please type Shamoya Hastings. I repeat, Shamoya Hastings or One Ashley B. I think that's enough. And also run over to my Vivo channel. I have a Vivo, Ashley B Vivo. Subscribe, leave a thumbs up and a comment down below in the comment section, and please to share the video, guys. I'm coming out with a lot of great content, a lot of music videos, and a lot of songs, banger songs, tap songs, chopper songs, sad songs.